Let's prove that sine square a minus sine square b by sine a cos a minus sine b cos b is equal to, we have to prove tan a plus b. Let's take a start. First of all, we have to take LHS here. Sine square a minus sine square b by sine a cos a minus sine b cos b. As you see here, when you multiply this by 2, we can convert in the form of formula. We can get 2 sine a cos a, formula of sine 2a. Similarly, when you multiply 2, then we can get sine 2b. So multiply 2 by in numerator and denominator both. So we can get here 2 sine square a minus 2 sine square b by 2 sine a cos a minus 2 sine b cos b. You can write here multiplying by denominator and numerator by 2. You can write at the side. After this, 2 sine square a, I'll show you here. Cos 2a in the form of sine is 1 minus 2 sine square a. So from here we have to find out the value of 2 sine square a. Here is 2 sine square a. So from there we have to find out the value of 2 sine square a. So 2 sine square a is 1 minus cos 2a. Similarly, we can write the formula of 2 cos square b. Same thing, 2 sine square b is 1 minus cos 2b. And you know the formula of 2 sine a cos a. Formula is sine 2a. So we can write here 1 minus cos 2a minus 1 minus cos 2b. After this here we can write sine 2a and minus sine 2b. Why to convert in this form? To use formula of cos c minus cos d or cos c plus cos d and sin c minus sin d. You can see here when you cancel this 1, so remaining cos c minus cos d, we can use formula in the form of c and d. Here also we can use formula of sin c minus sin d. So open the bracket. First of all, 1 minus cos 2a minus 1 plus cos 2b by sin 2a minus sin 2b. Here 1 and 1 cancel, so remaining is there. Okay, I'm going to erase this one. First of all, you can take here minus common. When you take minus common, so remaining cos 2a minus cos 2b, and you can use formula of cos c minus cos d. So better to take minus common. When you take minus common, remaining cos 2a and this positive will be negative, so minus cos 2b, and here in denominator same, sin 2a minus sin 2b. Now we can use formula. Now you understand why to multiply here by 2 to convert in the formula. Now we can use formula and we can get here tan a plus b. Okay, now minus, what is the formula of cos c minus cos d? I already provided you formula. If you till now didn't watch that formula video, please visit on my playlist, formula playlist, and you can get all formulas of trigonometry here. Cos c minus cos d is minus cos c minus cos d. Formula is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. You can look at formula. You can turn the page and you can look at formula which I provided while starting this part 4 short question. I already provided. So here formula is minus 2 sin c plus d, 2a plus 2b by 2 sin c minus d, 2a minus 2b by 2. When minus here, cos c minus cos d, both in the form of sine. When plus, then both in the form of cos. Now here sin c minus sin d formula is 2 cos c plus d, means 2a plus 2b by 2 sin c minus d, 2a minus 2b by 2. So in the place of c here is 2a, and in the place of d here is 2b. Now minus minus plus, so we can write 2 sine. When you take here 2 common, so what is remaining here? A plus a b by 2. Similarly sine, when you take here my 2 common, remaining a minus b by 2. In denominator also in same process we have to do. 2 cos, taking 2 common, remaining, when you take 2 common, remaining a plus b, so a plus b by 2. Similarly sine, when you take 2 common, remaining a minus b by 2. Okay, now this and this cancel, here 2 also cancel, we can cancel this one. Okay, so what is remaining here? Sine a plus b sine a minus b by cos a plus b sine a minus b. Now you can see sine a minus b and sine a minus b we can cancel, so remaining sine a plus b by cos a plus b, which is equal to tan a plus b. So we can write here, we can cancel this one, and the remaining is sine a plus b by cos a plus b, sine by cos, which is tan a plus b. RHS proved. Hope you understand this question. It's very important.